Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Patriot. So our very first news reporting on this channel. I am very glad that you have decided to jump from the one channel to the other one, and absolutely welcome to a cold and wintry South Africa. So I've got two very interesting stories for you today. The first one is actually quite a funny one. And it's quite ironic how life works. So the first one, I'll put it up for you. Limpopo farmers apply for 50 more cows. Claims first batch was research meal. So I'm going to read this to you because one can actually you can't even lie about these things. And this is what makes South Africa so funny sometimes. Limpopo, in a shocking twist that left agricultural officials bewildered and braai lovers inspired, the group of Limpopo farmers who reportedly ate the 50 cows awarded to them for farming projects have now applied for 30 more. According to the group spokesperson, "We didn't eat the cows, we sampled them. It was an in-depth culinary feasibility study to check beef quality before mass production. It's called tasting the investment. The farmers have promised to definitely not eat the next 50 cows, citing improved discipline and the new motto, think long term, chew slow." Sorry guys, it's just so funny. Their long-term goal is think long-term, chew slow. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be very honest with you. We have in the past, we've built up animals and we've breeded them. And yes, we do slaughter them for own consumption and to sell, but this is, never in the world will you read something like this. This is 100% South African. And then for our next article, it's funny how the media prepares one's mind for what is to happen next in South Africa. So I actually found this article, and it's actually quite shocking to think that there are people controlling what's happening in South Africa. So this article is about Patrick Motsepe maybe being the next president of South Africa. And this is not the only article I found. I found 2 or 3 other articles about this as well. So why is the media claiming that maybe Patrick Motsepe could be the next president of South Africa? Is there in the pipeline a no confidence vote against President Trump? Ramaphosa, sorry for that. Is there a no confidence vote going in against Ramaphosa? Why would they want to get Ramaphosa out of his seat? And why would they and the media suggest that Patrick Motsepe might be a better candidate? So watch out for this. I don't think anybody else have actually talked about this before. So I'm guessing that before the end of the year, we might see President Ramaphosa being voted out of the presidential seat, and somebody else might be becoming the president of South Africa. And as you know, currently the system that we are in, the ANC only got 40%, although they're acting like they've got 60%. They are dictating what is happening in Parliament, which is not democratic and constitutional at this stage. So if you look at what's currently happening within the parliamentary and government system, it is totally illegitimate. This is not what the people of South Africa voted for. Guys, please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.